Hello my friends, it's NGWorld. Welcome to my channel. Friends, in that video I'm going to show you Vaseline and salt alone will get you rid of unwanted hair permanently, and you will remove the hair from the hair follicles. It will fall off and it's not gonna grow back again. This magical remedy works 100%. It's without pain and without any kind of shaving or any kind of no shaving, no pain. It's super effective in getting rid of hair follicles, and it stops the hair growth from the roots without any side effects, without any pain, without laser or anything. It works and it's super effective in getting rid of any unwanted hair. Any place that you do have unwanted hair and you want to get rid of it, this will work for you 100%. It works for chest hair, any kind of arm hair, leg hair, any kind of unwanted hair that you don't want and you want to get rid of. This will work for you 100%. But before we start out, my friends, if it's the first time you see my channel, hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. That way every time I upload new remedy you will be notified to watch it, and also like that video. Let's start with the remedy. The first ingredient we need to add is 1 teaspoon of salt. In a clean mixing bowl, add 1 teaspoon of regular salt, just table salt. Then we need to add on it 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and you cannot use baking powder because it's not gonna work the same for that remedy. Check the description box. I'm going to leave the ingredients into the description box, so check it out. Now mix the ingredients well together like so. Then we need to add around 1 teaspoon of room temperature water, that much. Mix well like so. If you added baking soda and you added salt, it's going to double in size and make this foam like so. Now we need alum crystal. Dip the alum crystal into this, and on the unwanted hair apply it in a circular motion. It's going to foam and make whitish kind of cream. Apply generous amount like so. After keeping massaging in circular motion, you'll find the hair falling off and you will get rid permanently of the unwanted hair. It's going to foam like so. Then with an aid of tissue paper, any tissue paper you do have, wipe it off like so. Then we need Vaseline, and dip in your finger into the Vaseline like so. We need little Vaseline. Apply it. This will help the hair to stop growing and it's not gonna grow back again, and you will get rid permanently of the unwanted hair. You will get smooth skin naturally. It's super effective and super helpful. I hope this video will help you too, my friends. Don't forget, subscribe my channel, turn on the bell icon to never miss effective remedies. Leave a nice comment and give that video a big like, and I will see you in my next video. I love you guys.